I just played a 3.5-hour tennis match, and it was a singles match, and I hadn't played singles in 2 years. I lost, but did I say it was 3 hours, 3.5 hours? A normal tennis match might take, for singles, let's just say 3.5 hours is long. I won the first set, lost the second set and had her so bad, lost in a tie break, which made it more painful. And then I lost in the third set. So I am hurting and sore. No spring chicken. But I had to come home and take care of my babies. So now I'm with them. Let me clean up poo before I continue videoing. So these guys have all eaten. They've peed on the paper. Most of them have pooed. So that means they should play for a few minutes and then it'll be time for a nap. I see, well, Queenie was over there. Uh-oh, I tried to block her favorite pass-through spot, and she just ran right into the food bowl. Let me wipe her up real quick. Let me see if I can get everybody. That's Petey and Quinn. That's Bailey over there.
He's...
What?
One of them is going to get their head stuck.
No, they should be fine. Didn't I just say that was Speedy? Okay, alright.
He's roaming free.
Alright, I'll get him. I'm afraid to move my feet now. That's Petey. Paulie. He's trying to get Bailey to come out and play. She's like, I don't know. She's thinking about it, though. Golly, I'm telling you, you guys are like a poop tag team. Quinny over here pooping. At least they're pooping on the paper, so that makes me happy. Well, she's kicking her back feet out. I've never seen a little teeny puppy do that before. After, they potty, they like to kick their feet. Come on. No. Hey, come here. Hello. Who are you talking to, Milo? You talking to me? That's a red pup. It's okay, gotcha. There you go. Obi-doba. Obi.